Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Greetings to all my brothers and sisters. And how are you all? I hope all my brothers and sisters are always in good health, not lacking anything. Increasingly successful and progressing and always given abundant sustenance and blessings, were. And as usual, I was traveling today, and I found this nest, Wow, the nest is extraordinarily large and long, Wow. And hopefully there's a lot of honey, But unfortunately, today I am traveling alone, because my friend Masadi is busy with other matters. So I went alone, And thank God, I found a bomber nest, Wow, subhanallah. And hopefully there's a lot of honey, From its style, this looks like a nest with quite a lot of honey. Wow, his head is long, Mashallah, oh God. Let's just see, wow, thank God. His head is indeed incredibly long, Wow. Alhamdulillah, thank God. Always gives abundant sustenance and hopefully, oh Allah, blessings. Wow, it's indeed long, Wow, even seen from here, it's extraordinary. Wow. Okay, Let me get the equipment and the bucket first, Let's just execute it, Let's just sweep it, The name itself, The picture is not very clear, W cool, If you want, Well, thank you. Thank you, B. You gave me honey. Wow. Okay, Let's just execute it, Whis is about to start sealing, The removal of the honey, Oh. H, there are still lots of pollinators, Okay, just bring it closer, so it's clearer. Okay, this is clearer now, Let me do it from above. I don't think I can cut it from here, Can I? Oh, I think I can, Ah, here, it's starting to get tight. Thank God. Let's cut it straight away, Alhamdulillah. It's sloppy, Wow. That look, wow, it's really great. Wow. Oh. Hey, there are a lot of mothers, Wow. Wow, the honey is gurgling, Oh, thank God, wow, heavy, Wow, can this fit or not? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, ready, Wow. Wow, come on, blur. Let's see the results, blur. Alhamdulillah, not bad, blur. Wow, hey. Hey, here it is, blur. And here it is, blur, the result, blur. Alhamdulillah wa sukrullah and thank you Allah. Blur, this is approximately 10 to 12 kilos here, blur. Wow, alhamdulillah wa sukrullah. And thank you very much my brothers and sisters for visiting my channel, for watching my videos and I end. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and thank you. Okay.